So in this problem, which of the following equations below matches the graph? So some of you guys were asking some questions. I'm not sure what type of graph that is. One thing you do know is that it's starting here on the y-axis. I noticed I have an amplitude of 3, so that we know. I noticed that it's starting here at 3, and it kind of goes and then stops right there. So it looks like this is one period. And then it does it again, right? So it looks like there are 2 periods. So 2 periods is equal to, it finishes by 8 pi. So if I just divide that by 2, class 1 period is 4 pi. Well, we have an equation for the period, which is 2 pi over b. I noticed that all of my a values are either 3 or negative 3. I'll eliminate a because it has that negative, because that was the case, it would start down at negative 3. And I know it's not sine because it starts at negative 3 and ends at starts at 3 and ends at 3, so I know that it can't be sine. It's got to be a cosine. Well, if I finish this off, if I cross multiply, I have 4 pi b equals 2 pi. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 4 pi. I'm going to have a b value uh, 2 pi, oh, what did I do? 2 pi, 4 times b. Looks okay? Here. Well, this is okay, right? Yes, I cross multiply. So 2 pi equals b times 4 pi. Yes? I'm trying to get b by itself. So I get a fraction of 1 over 2. I copied the problem wrong. That was supposed to be 16 pi. 16 pi divided by 2 would give us 8 pi. If I cross multiply, I'll get 1/4. And that's why the choice would have been D. So, my mistake. Graph should have ended 2 periods over 16 pi. That means 1 period is equal to 8 pi. 8 pi equals 2 pi over b. Cross multiply, and you'll get b value of 1/2. 1/2, 1/4. So that'll be choice D as your answer. So, mistake. In the very beginning, I should have given you that the 2 periods finish by